Hey guys, in this video, I quickly want to go over how you save money when eating at McDonald's. So this is all going to have to do with the McDonald's app. You can download and install this if you're on an Android device through the Google Play Store or through an iPhone through the App Store. So when you're ordering at McDonald's through the drive-thru, they always ask you if you've used the mobile app. I never did this before, but I thought I'd try it out, and I'm glad I did because I've actually been saving quite a bit every time I go and eat at McDonald's. So in the app, here towards the bottom, there's the option to click on Rewards and Deals. In the rewards and deals area, other than just the points that you get every time you place an order that you can use to get free items, what's really great are the deals. So I'm going to click on where it says view all to see all the deals that are available. So personally, what I do every time that I go and eat at McDonald's is in the deals, they have this option here for 25% off any purchase of $5 or more. So I'll get a value meal, and every single time I'll get 25% off because you can use this once per day. So if a combo meal that I'm getting is normally $10, this means it's now costing me $7.50. But you can go through and see all of the different deals that they have available in this area. And it's really a no-brainer because if you're going to be eating at McDonald's anyways, you may as well use whatever coupon or deal that they have available. And this is the one that I use most frequently is anytime I go there, I get 25% off my order. So whatever deal that you end up wanting to use, you just select it and then add it to your mobile order. And then it'll ask you, are you sure you want to use this deal? And I do want to use this, so I'm going to click on Use Deal. And then the deal will be added to your cart, and the discount will be applied when you're checking out. So to show you how this works, I'll quickly do an order. So selecting one of my recent orders. And whenever you place an order, it'll put your items over in your McDonald's bag. And when you're ready to check out, you can select the checkout option here at the bottom. And whatever deal you had selected will show up here at the top. And when we scroll down, it'll show you the subtotal of your meal right here, and it will apply this coupon when you go to review and pay. So selecting that option, then you need to select how you want to pick up your food. I usually just go through the drive-thru, and when going through the drive-thru, I provide them with the code that they give me so they know which order is mine, but then I click on continue. So in my order summary, I have the total for the meal, the discount that was applied, and then the new total. And this is definitely what you guys want to be doing when ordering at McDonald's to save some money. So I hope this video was helpful going over how you save money when ordering at McDonald's. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.